Very good day to yous, and welcome to Scots Flash News, 1 o'clock. Brussels. The Belgian polis has lifted 6 fowk for last Tuesday's terrorist oanding in the Schaerbeek area. For all that, their identity or role in the deed is no kent yet. Another man, jaloosed to be a terrorist, has been taen in Paris after being wytit with schamin another oanding. The Hague. The International Criminal Tribunal for former Yugoslavia has doomed Radovan Karadžić for Srebrenica's fowk murder. The former leader of the Bosnian Serbs has been demt guilty of 10 out of the 11 cherges brocht agin for the fowk murder, the crimes against humanity, and the war crimes he carried out during the Bosnian Waar between 1992 and 1995. For by then, he's been gained the white for both the siege of Sarajevo and Srebrenica's slaughter. On account of then, Karadžić will have to serve 40 years in the jail. Paris. Salah Abdeslam, the main suspect in the terrorist oandings of the 13th November 2015, went against non-extradition to France. His lawyer, Sven Neri, has stated that Abdeslam is now ready to face French justice. Beijing. After journalist Jia Jia, 17-year fowk that worked for the news agency WOG News has vanished. The self-same agency had carried an open letter on their website that threatened for President Xi Jinping's demise. The website itself has now been shut down and all. Barcelona. Dutchman Johan Cruyff, a legend of world football in the 1960s and 70s, has died. He was 68 and had long been ill with cancer. Damascus. The Syrian state TV Ikhbariya has gained it out that Assad's army has now taken over Palmyra. The ancient city, to be found in northwestern Syria, had been conquered by ISIS jihadists in May 2015. Hong Kong. Asia's main contemporary air fair, now in its 3rd edition, has now started and will be open for 3 days. The Chinese air market is the 3rd in the world after those of the US and the UK. Cuba. Rolling Stones members Mick Jagger, Keith Richards, Ronnie Wood and Charlie Watts has landed in Havana, where they're going to play for free the night. About 500,000 fowk is settled to be present at the concert that is seen as marking yet again the better diplomatic and economic relations between the island and the Western world. Science. A new artificial cell called JCVI-SYN 3.0 has now been made with 473 genes, the least amount needed for life reproduction to take place. Seeing as researchers didn't ken yet what a third of the human DNA's 20,000 genes is for, it's thought that the study of one cell might help them learn more about them, for by then, synthetic organisms might be used in medicine and agriculture and all. That's all for the day for Scots Flash News. This is Tam Baxter. Thanks for listening.